Hello traders, welcome to my channel AM Indicators. Here, I share powerful trading tools and strategies to make your trading journey smooth. Today I have something exciting for you. I'm sharing one of the best reversal indicators for binary options trading. Not only that, but I'll also take live trades using this indicator signals and our trading rules. Will this indicator help us win trades? Stick around till the end to find out. Don't skip any part, you might miss key insights. For today's session, I'll use the MT4 platform to get indicator signals and the Olymp Trade platform to place trades. If you're interested in trying these platforms, you can find the links in the video description. Before we start, here's a quick reminder. Trading binary options involves financial risk, and you could lose money. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now, let's break down how to use this reversal indicator effectively. If the price reaches a resistance level and the indicator gives a sell signal, place a sell trade on the next candle. If the price reaches a support level and the indicator gives a buy signal, place a buy trade on the next candle. Always check the trend direction before entering a trade. This is a reversal indicator, so avoid trading against a strong trend. Use a 1-minute chart with a 5-minute trade expiry. Avoid trading during news releases, as they can cause market volatility. The best time to trade is during the European and New York sessions for more accurate signals. Now that we know the rules, let's dive into live trading to see how the binary options trading reversal indicator performs in real time. Watch closely and take notes so you can use these strategies effectively in your own trades. If you're excited to try this indicator, you can get it from my Telegram channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tips and tools. Let's get started with the live trading examples. According to our trading rules, this setup is perfect for a buy trade. The price is at the support level. The price is also on the trend line indicator, has also given a buy signal. So placing a 5-minute buy trade here is the right decision. Now, let's wait and see how this trade plays out. While the trade is running, let's go over a few key trading tips that will help you make better decisions. Always follow the trading rules we discussed earlier. Discipline is key. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Smart risk management is important for long-term success. If the market is too volatile due to news events, it's better to stay out and wait for a stable setup. Before using real money, always test the strategy on a demo account to build confidence. Alright, the trade is about to close. If this trade is successful, it proves how powerful this binary options reversal indicator is. If it doesn't work, we'll analyze why and improve our strategy. That was a perfect buy trade setup, and we won. This shows how well this reversal indicator works when we follow the right trading rules and market conditions. Now, let's stay patient and wait for the next perfect trade setup. According to our trading rules, this setup looks like an ideal buy trade because the price is at the support level. The price is touching the trend line. The indicator has given a buy signal. So many of you might think, yes, this is the right time to enter a buy trade. But wait, look at the chart carefully. If you check the last 5 candles, they are all strong bearish candles, showing that the market is in a downtrend. Even though the setup looks good based on our trading rules, the overall market trend is still bearish. Entering a buy trade against a strong downtrend can be risky and might lead to a losing trade. To help you understand this better, I have taken a buy trade here as an example. Remember, a strong trend can overpower support and resistance levels, and even a good indicator signal might fail in such cases. So, before taking any trade, always check the strength of the trend. Are there multiple strong candles in one direction? The market structure? Is the trend reversing or still continuing? Confirmation from other indicators? Are all signals aligned, or is there a conflict? Now that we have placed the trade, let's wait and see what happens. Yes, we lost this trade. It proves why trading against the trend is dangerous and why trend analysis is so important in trading, but don't be discouraged. Losses are part of trading, and every trade is a learning opportunity. Always wait for the perfect setup that aligns with both trend direction and indicator signals before entering a trade. According to our trading rules, this is an ideal buy trade setup because the price is at the support level. The indicator has given a buy signal. The trend line is correctly positioned. The overall trend is upward. Everything looks perfect for a high probability trade. So, I've taken a buy trade here, and now we just need to wait for the result. Trading is not just about finding good setups. It's also about having the right discipline and patience. All right, the trade is about to close. Great! This confirms that following our trading rules can lead to successful trades. This trade was a great example of how to follow trading rules properly. Remember, consistency and discipline are the real keys to long-term success. If you want to try this reversal indicator, get it from my Telegram channel, link in the description. According to our trading rules, this setup is an ideal sell trade because the price is at the resistance level. The indicator has given a sell signal. The trend line is correctly positioned. Everything looks perfect for a high probability trade. So I've taken a sell trade, and now we just need to wait for the result. Stay tuned. While we wait, let's talk about trading. Confidence. Following the strategy with confidence is key to trading success. Winning or losing one trade doesn't define you. What matters is consistency over time. Trust the process. As long as you follow the rules, your success rate will improve. Always review your past trades and learn from them. Even losing trades can teach valuable lessons. Now, let's stay patient and watch how this trade unfolds. We won this trade as well. This proves once again that following a solid strategy and sticking to the rules can lead to successful trades. But remember, trading is a journey, and there's always more to learn. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, here's how you can support the channel. Subscribe to the channel for more powerful trading strategies. Like this video. It motivates me to create even better content for you. Share this video with your fellow traders so they can learn and grow too. Your support helps this channel grow, and I'll continue bringing you valuable trading content to help you on your trading journey. Trading is all about patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Always remember, the power to succeed is in your hands. Stay focused, stay consistent, and trust the process. Want to try this indicator? Get it from my Telegram channel, link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!